Hello, and welcome to my brief video on how to use Zoom, which is a video conferencing tool. So I'm just going to talk a little bit about how I use Zoom and other ways to use it as well. So how can we use Zoom? We can use it for video conferencing, to create videos, or to create audio files. Typically what I do is I simply start a meeting, share my screen, and I usually start it without the video so the students can just concentrate on the screen and what I'm saying, and I record it. So I make short videos just like this one that I'm sharing with you today to either walk my students through directions and things that they need to do in my class, or to add audio and talk about PowerPoints or readings or anything else that I want my students to be able to see and hear in my classes. So how do we get started? To get started with Zoom, you click on this link and you'll get the screen right here. You'll simply type in an email address and click sign up for free. You will get an email from Zoom so that you need to go in and verify your email address to be able to activate your account and choose your password. And I think you can, with a free account, you can get up to 30 minutes of audio, video, or meetings without having to sign in and create another meeting, which typically, for me, is plenty to do to create short videos or have short video conferences with my students. Or you can get a pro account, which is a paid account, and then you have unlimited, I think, number of hours that you can have a meeting. So typically, sometimes we even record 4-hour classes and upload those for students, but those are really big files. So under Zoom, you can click the profile link on the left-hand side. This is where you can set up your specifics for your account. You can upload a profile picture, enter your time zone, enter your meeting options and recording options. To specifically schedule a meeting, you can click on My Meetings to set up a video conference that you will schedule for the future and to see any previous meetings that you have attended or created. So if you click on Schedule a Meeting, you can enter all the details for your meeting, the title, the date, the duration, the time zone, whether you want your video as the host to be on or off. And like I said, when I created this video, I turned the video off. So you don't see me, you just see my screen and hear my voice. You also have options to turn your participants' video on or off. Same thing with audio options, other meeting options, and then you would click Schedule. That's typically the basics for how to simply go in and schedule a meeting. Like I said, I typically don't schedule meetings ahead of time. I usually use it to create video and audio files for my students. So I simply clicked on my Zoom icon on my computer, logged in, clicked on Start Without Video, clicked on Share Screen and Record, and I was ready to go. Just share my screen with you. You can't see it in this video, but on the top of my screen is the meeting ID, which I can send students the meeting ID if they want to log into a live meeting session, or I can just click on Invite Participants, which opens up my email account, and I can type in the email addresses to who I want to send to invite to my meeting. There's other options. I can stop sharing, stop recording. I can manage my video. I can manage the audio of the students. I can annotate on my screen. I can manage who can annotate on my screen, etc. When I'm all finished, I'm going to click Stop Share, Stop Recording, and End Meeting for All. That will close everything out and will generate a file that will be downloaded to my computer. If you choose the very last file in the link, the Zoom 0 file, you can save that file to your computer, rename it, and email it to your students or upload it to a class site. That's typically the best file for containing all of your audio and video. So hopefully this was a helpful short video on a little bit about Zoom and how to use it. Thank you.